Thank you for taking some time for yourself and meditation. Meditation is the state of mental silence and thoughtless awareness. Yoga means union or connection with yourself, your spirit. Spirit is the core of our being and can be accessed by Kundalini Yoga. Your spirit is the reflection of the divine and is very sacred, precious and pure. Your Kundalini resides in your sacrum bone at the base of the spine. She's your divine mothering power, and she's coiled there, ready to rise when auspiciously requested. She then rises and flows out the top of your head and spontaneously can take your attention into deep connected yoga meditation and flow and give you that abiding silence without effort. This flow state you can confirm by feeling the vibrational flow coming from the top of your head. And this is the unique discovery of Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who gave us the following affirmations. Sitting straight up, place your right hand on your left hip, and the left hand palm upwards stays on your lap. Here we say, Mother, please give me the true knowledge about myself. Now we move the right hand up under the left abdomen, and we affirm here, Mother, I am my own master. Now we move our right hand up to our heart, and here we affirm the great truth of our existence. Mother, I am the Spirit. Now we take the right hand and move it up to the neck and shoulder on the left hand side, and here we affirm, Mother, I am not guilty. Now right hand to the forehead, we say, Mother, I forgive. I forgive everyone, including myself. Now right hand to the back of the head, and here we say, please forgive me for any mistakes I have made. Now, the middle of the palm of the hand going flat on the top of the head, pressing down slightly on this fontanelle bone area, we say, Mother, please give me my self-realization, my yoga or union. Mother, please give me my self-realization. Now we lift the right hand a little above the top of the head, feeling for the flow coming from the top of the head, and we express our pure desire. We say, Mother, please deepen my self-realization. Now with both hands palm upwards back on the lap, we allow our attention to dissolve into that flow at the top of our head, in silence, in meditation.